Today, I collected 4 questions most frequently asked by my customer. Okay, today we are mainly staying in our dry carbon workshop. The question 1, what's the difference between the 3K carbon fiber, forged carbon, and the honeycomb carbon? Okay, let's say the first one, 3K carbon fiber. Recently, the forged carbon and the honeycomb carbon by the majority of customers love. The 3 carbon fiber is like the tail wave, regulated wave. You can see here. It also we can call it is the 3 multiply 3. Now we also have the 1 multiply 1, 2 multiply 2. It's just only the size, the difference. Okay. Let's see the second one. The second one is the forged carbon. The forged carbon. Forged carbon is like the small irregular fragments in size. It's like some irregular fragments in size. This one is the forged carbon. Maybe before last 2 years, there is no customer asking me, do you have the forged carbon? But now, recently, from last year, there are more and more customers like this very much. Okay, the third one, this one, both these 3 are one of these 3 is spoil, okay, cast spoil. The honeycomb carbon is like this. The honeycomb carbon, I have one USA customer like this material very much. Often asking me, what's your honeycomb carbon looks like? Today I have sent one video to her, separate this one, honeycomb carbon. But no matter normal carbon, forged carbon, and the honeycomb carbon, they have their different size. The shape is same, but their size not 100% same. Maybe some customers need more big wave size. Anyway, whatever you need, if we can purchase this material in the market, and then we can produce it. This one is also one honeycomb carbon fiber, but this one is one of our customized parts, so I can't tell you the detailed model for you. Honeycomb carbon. Okay, hope my above information can help you to understand our 3 kinds of material. Maybe it has another kind of carbon fiber material, but if you tell us, and we can find this and purchase this material in the market, and then we can produce it. Because for us, the production process, all of them are same, but the price of them are lot the same. In my later video, we will show you the details, the price difference. Okay. The next one, question 2. What's the difference between the dry carbon and the wet carbon? Okay, thank you. It seems last 2 years, maybe there is a low customer asking me, do you have the dry carbon? Can you produce the dry carbon? But now there are more and more customers asking me, can you produce the dry carbon? And what's the difference between the dry carbon and the wet carbon? Okay, the later time I will show you this one and this one. These two parts are 100% thin for one cup. But from the outside look, it's hard for us to find which one is dry carbon. Yes. that we can see the details. You can see the waves. This one is dry and this one is wet. Okay, give me the wet first. I will introduce the wet carbon production process for you. Okay, this one is the wet carbon. Wet carbon we can get its name from its glossy white appearance. In fact, the white molecule refers to its manufacturing process by which the carbon fiber is coated in liquid resin before being vacuum sealed to cure. Typically, a dry carbon fiber cloth is placed into a mold which has been coated with resin. Then the cloth and the resin are sealed into a volume. The vacuum pressure impregnates the resin into the cloth, basically encasing it within the resin and giving it the sturdy structure most people associate with carbon fiber. The process leaves the fiber with a glossy appearance. However, this can be altered by using a metal layer up of sandpapering. Okay, the next one, the dry carbon production process. The dry carbon we can also get from his name, manufacturing process. During manufacture, dry carbon has its resin pre-preg that is literally built into the fiber since the resin is being directly applied. The fiber is dry. Pre-impregnated fiber is called pre-preg. In the carbon fiber industry, the pre-preg fiber is placed in an autoclave to cure at high pressure and heat, which removes impurities and strengthens the material. Because the resin is baked in rather than applied on top, the fiber generally comes out looking flat rather than glossy. However, this look can be altered by applying a glossy layer of gel coat. Okay, the next time we will show the difference, the detailed difference of these two. The first one is the price, the cost. Of course, the dry carbon is more expensive than the wet carbon because the different production process. And the second one is the strength. The strength for wet carbon is more weaker than the dry carbon. And the dry carbon is more stronger than the wet carbon. Okay, the third one is the most important thing of these two parts difference is their weight. Okay, let's test these two parts weight. Firstly, we test the wet carbon weight. Okay, the first one gram. The dry carbon weight is only 0.90. So it's a big difference of them. So it's their weight. So in same condition, usually people like the lighter parts. They more like the lighter parts. Okay, the fourth difference is wait, let me change it. Okay. It's the quality. For the white carbon is more lower and the dry carbon is higher. It's much stronger and much lighter. Okay, hope this above information can help you to clear up your confusion of dry carbon and wet carbon. Remember, it's not necessarily the appearance that defines wet and dry, but rather than the process which it was made. Okay. Okay, this is the difference. I will show you the details again of dry carbon surface finish. Okay, dry carbon surface finish. The wave is more clearly than the wet carbon. Back side, also the surface of the back side. Surface handmade is very nice. Okay, so maybe you should be asked me. So how to choose? So the question 3 is how to choose dry carbon and wet carbon. As you know, because there are these two parts are different price and different quality. So how to choose these two parts? In my suggestion, it depends on your marketing requirements. If you are a brand love, you care about the brand. I suggest you to choose the dry carbon. Dry carbon is your first choice. If your customer is online sales, retail sales, and they don't understand and don't care about if it's dry carbon or wet carbon, in this condition, we suggest you to choose the wet carbon. Usually for customized customer, we will give them two kinds of suggestion, both dry carbon and wet carbon for this choose. In my suggestion, because for the dry carbon, the most cost is very expensive. If you customize the one part, but your quantity is very nice, in this condition you will consider the cost. So we just give you the suggestions. So you can choose the funnel you want to make dry or wet carbon. Summary. Depending on your application, you would choose the most effective product. Dry carbon is stronger. The dry carbon is stronger and lighter than wet carbon, but more expensive. Yes, if your equipment for a structurally sound product extends to reason that you have certain safety concerns as well. Therefore, you would literally choose to use dry carbon. If you are producing decorative or long-career components that needn't be a part of structural strength in quotation, then wet carbon would be your main choice. Okay, the next time, I want to introduce our dry carbon molds, but because the time reason, I will show you our dry carbon workshop first. Okay, follow me. Because global varies, there are many customers come to China, come to visit our factory. So every week and every month we have video shoot to introduce our factory and our factory daily life. If some customer interested in, you can contact us. We will tell you our detail, our every week detailed time to show you. Okay, this one is dry carbon. Oh, sorry. Okay. 看一下是不是我正好就去仓库。Okay, follow me to our warehouse. Let's start. Before two last years, we are main produce car parts for the car front leaf that is the diffuser and the spoiler. But recently, these 2 years, we also can make level for the such as motorcycle and motorbike like this. So if you need some carbon fiber parts and maybe we don't have, you also can send us the picture and sample, and we can give this picture and symbol to our engineer and to check if we can do customize. Okay, let's walk to our warehouse. My colleague, Miss Lico, will introduce some our warehouse stocks to you, and introduce some difference of this part and the price and the parts, how our parts do. Directly, I will show you the details or everything video time. This quality inspection, okay, quality inspection workshop. That's the one. Our warehouse is second house, and we packed warm parts here, and every week ship for 1 ton, 2 times or 3 tons. This is a finished parts. Here is our our warehouse office here. Warehouse office here. Nico. Okay. Follow me. Okay. The next time, my colleague Miss Nico will introduce our products to you. Okay, thanks.
Hello guys, welcome to Sportline and welcome to our live stream. I'm now standing outside of our warehouse. Sportline is a manufacturer and provider. Is a manufacturer and provider for carbon fiber exterior and interior parts. Such as BMW, Audi, Mercedes, Ferrari, Volkswagen, Porsche, and Toyota, Honda, Tesla, and so on. As you know, carbon fiber parts is more and more popular nowadays. When customer order some OEM style carbon fiber parts to instead the plastic parts of their car, first, I think is to reduce the weight of the total the weight of the car. Second, it makes your car looks better to install carbon fiber, because you can instead install a rear diffuser to make the car more aggressive. In our warehouse, there are more than 10,000 carbon fiber pieces here, and now I will show you around. Let's go. Okay, we just show you around of our warehouse. You can see there are so many stocks here. Every day warehouse guys busy packing to send these items all over the world. And as you say, you will say the carbon fiber is good, but but when we search on the internet like Google, eBay, or Amazon, you can see the price is very different. Maybe a range from 30 or to 3,000. Then maybe you confused. What's the difference? Why the price is so much difference? Today I will let you know. There are some items which our warehouse guys will packing soon, so I take out some of them to let you know. From this, can you think out which one is the lowest price? is this one. You can see this one is plastic, not real carbon, just with the carbon fiber waves. You can see the net is not that dark and high weight with. This one is the cheapest. It's a real diffuser. Price maybe around $70. This one is not produced by our factory, just put here as a sample. And then the second one is the white carbon. The price is higher than this one, is plastic one, because the width on this one is just printed. When you install for some times, it will fit. And this one is white carbon. It's real carbon, but not 100% carbon fiber. We have put some fiberglass in it. Then the weight is less than the plastic, but not the lattice. You can see this one. This one is white carbon. It's vacuum processing. After we finish the production, we have applied the 3M tape, and there's our QC parts logo here. This one is for GAR, for GTI. The price is higher than this one. And then the next one, this one is also white carbon, but it's matte black. You can see the difference. This one is glossy, and this one is matte. This one more expensive, about 80% higher, because one more process. This spoiler is for Tesla. As you know, the war between Ukraine and Russia, the gas or the petrol price increased a lot. So electronic cars maybe will be more popular. And then here is the forged carbon. You can see the forged carbon is also very nice with the forged waves. This one is for BMW F80 and F82. This is a real diffuser. You can see this one is also white carbon. You can see the back is black with fiberglass. It's very easy to install. No need to remove the rear bumper because the clips are with original position of the diffuser. It's here and then installed with screws. One tape and the screws will be sent out together with the products. So very easy. If you order from us, even no need to go to the workshop. Maybe you can install by yourself. Okay, then this was white carbon. The forged carbon price is about 8% higher than normal carbon. You can see the difference. You can see the true difference. But the waves looks different. You can see the parting wave is different. Okay, the next one is dry carbon. Dry carbon, we use dry carbon like a mirror cover. You can see there are 4 mirror cover here, 4 pieces. But this one, no clips here, just the smooth and is stick on, so no need to remove the original clips. Just stick this one on the car. So the price is little cheaper. not expensive, and install very easy. This one also dry carbon. You can see there are some clips on the back, and you need to remove the original one. You see here, the wave is very beautiful. So this one is more expensive than this one. Both dry carbon. For dry carbon, you can see the very light weight, and there are carbon fiber with pattern behind of it. Then some customer also dry carbon is more durable. So some customer not only want the small pieces, they also wanted the big pieces like the rear diffuser. This one is for Audi R8. You can see this one, the waves is very beautiful, and the mold is created by CNC. So the fitment is very good, and you can see on the back. It's also carbon fiber waves and clips, also for original, just a replacement of the original rear diffuser. But more aggressive, you can see many things. Here, you can see more aggressive here for your car. If you install this one, more sporty and more aggressive, and the weight is much light than the original plastic one. Why is carbon fiber popular when building luxury automobiles? Carbon fiber high quality parts which keeps the vehicle running at its best. The demand for carbon fiber car parts is increasing for apparent reasons. Not only they decrease the total car weight by up to 50%, assisting greater vehicle speed, but they also make the car look visually appealing. Also for white carbon and dry carbon, the experience of the workers is very important for the quality. Because there are so many processes like cutting, forming, stacking, painting, polishing. So many processes need handmade. So the workers in our factory normally have 5 years experience on this field. This one you can see we also have some diffuser, front cylinder, mirror covers, rear spoiler, and we also have the trunk and the hood for the car. Not only the small pieces, but also some big items. Okay, let's go to the packing workshop. Every worker packed here, and you can see there are some items that has been finished the packing. Some items has been finished packing, waiting for the container to come to loading. Also, you can see here. For small items, usually we just put the customized carton box and put the foam in it to protect it, and also put the Brazil sticker here and made in China sticker here. And then for big items like front clip, pack it like this. These are items waiting for send out. For more items, we will put a wooden box like this. This wooden box is for domestic, and this one is for export. Also, every day we send out such items. We send out items to Shenzhen warehouse and then forward to other shipping company because shipping cost in Shenzhen is much more cheaper than here in Jinmen, Hubei province. Okay, welcome to JC Sportline and welcome to our factory. If you have any questions, just send us a message from our Alibaba shop, and then our service girl will reply to you promptly. Okay, that's all. See you next time.